Now, when one input is there, we have to check two conditions. When value is there, what to do? When blank is there, what to do? When two inputs are there, we have to check four conditions. When value is there, when blank is there, what to do? When blank is there, when value is there, what to do? When both are value, what to do? When both are blank, what to do? So when three inputs are there, eight conditions will come. Already we have seen this, eight conditions will come. Similarly, when four inputs are there, 16 conditions will come. 16 conditions will come. So now you should be careful while adding those 16 conditions. So it confuses you. Now imagine a case where the program is having. So I'm showing you a standard program in which there are many parameters. If you see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 parameters. If you scroll down, still some more are there. If you want to write this type of program, you will die with parameters. So that is one drawback of parameters. So we are understanding the drawbacks of parameters. So as the number of inputs increases, first one, as the number of inputs increases, the number of conditions to handle will increase. So second condition, either we can see all the data when it's blank. When it's blank, we can see all the data, or we can enter a particular value. So either we can see all the records or we can see a particular value. Example, if you see 28 execute, sorry, 28 execute, 27. Now here I can give Hyderabad or Bangalore or Lahore, any one city, or I can show everything. I don't want like this. I want to see any two cities or any three cities. Cannot handle, parameters cannot handle. So in another way, parameters cannot handle multiple inputs. So because of all these drawbacks, whenever parameters are optional, go with select options. So whenever parameters are optional, go with select options. So select option syntax. Select options s underscore. For parameters we are giving p underscore, select options s underscore. It can be any name you want, no need to give s underscore. Project to project the rules will change, whatever is your project. Some companies will say so underscore, select options so underscore. So in my current project we are using s underscore. So use whatever standards you are, some name, example s underscore Matner, for some table name hyphen field name. Note, whatever table you are using while declaring, the same table should be declared with tables again. So what is the correct syntax here? Example, tables, some table name, whatever table name you want. Then select options s underscore Matner for Mara Matner. Example, tables ZZEMP. Select options S underscore EID for ZZEMP EID. Example, tables ZZEDU. Select options S underscore EID for ZZEDU hyphen EID. Whatever table you are using here should be declared with table statement. And at the same time, note, it cannot handle. Select options cannot take. Select options cannot take data elements. So we have to use table reference. With select options, we cannot use type keyword. We have to use for. So let's see this now. So now I am going to some program. 30 is over 31. Material report. Type executable. Save it. Now select options S underscore EID for some table ZZEMP EID. Now if you check the syntax, it will throw error. It says that this table does not exist. So whatever table you are using here, you have to declare it with table statement. This is the syntax of employee table. Now in the program, in start of selection, I am using select EID name city phone from YYZEMP into V underscore EID, V underscore name, V underscore city, V underscore phone, where EID in S underscore EID, and select. So now the table I am using here and the table I am using here need not have any relation. Note, the table used in tables part can be any table. The tables used in the tables part can be any table which has that field. There is no rule that we have to use the same table what we are giving here. Hold on 1 minute. Now, example, now if you see here, I am selecting the report. I am selecting the data from YYZ but I can give here YYZ If I am giving YYZ this table I have to declare it here. This is only telling that I want a field like this. That's it. So now I am declaring some variables V underscore EID, type V underscore name, type V underscore city, type V underscore phone, type. So now Whenever you are using select options, note, whenever we are using select options in the where condition, we have to use in operator. We have to use in operator. We should not use equal to operator. If you use equal to operator also, my system won't throw any error. My system won't throw any error. Now, why is a DDU? Data. Check. Now, select EID name, city, phone. Now, now, here it is not throwing any error, but we should not use equal to operator. We have to use in operator. Now, write the data. Write work area EMP, work area EMP EID, work area EMP name, work area EMP city, work area EMP, sorry, V underscore EID, V underscore name, V underscore city, V underscore phone. Check the syntax. Activate. Execute. So now if you see here, range of values. Range of values. Now I am not giving any input. I am not giving any input. When I execute, it will show all the records. So see here, all the records I am seeing. When I am saying show me 1, it will show record number 1. If I say show me record number 3, it will show record number 3. If I say show me 1 from 1 to 4, 1 to 4, execute, it will show from 1 to 4. If I say I'm expanding this, if you see I'm expanding this. I'm expanding this and saying show me 1, show me 3, show me 5, show me 1, show me 3, show me 5. I want 1, 3, 5. Execute. Execute. It will show record number 1, record number 3, record number 5. Now I am not handling any conditions. If initial, initial, not initial, etc. I am just using the where condition. So in the where condition, whatever data is there, automatically SAP is dynamically putting the conditions. While interpreter converts the data, this statement, OpenSQL statement, will be converted by interpreter. So the interpreter will handle all the if conditions. I need not worry about the if conditions. So without using the if conditions, I am playing with the select options. If the same program, if I am writing with parameters, I have to check if p underscore eid is initial, p underscore eid is not initial. If both are initial, both are not initial, like this, I have to handle multiple cases. But here, without any conditions, I am writing the code. So advantage of select options. So it has more advantage than parameters. So now let's see more deeper into the select options. Now come back. Now on my screen, I want material number. On my screen, I want a field where I can enter material number. So I'm saying select options, some name s underscore matner for Mara Matner. I can give it like this, Mara Matner. I can say select options s underscore Matner for Marcy Matner. Select options s underscore Matner for Matner for MAKT Matner. Matner. Select options s underscore Matner. S underscore Matner for VBAP Matner. Matner. Select options S underscore Matner for EKPO Matner. So example select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the only rule is you can use any table you want in the start of selection. In the start of selection, you might write a Mara report, you might write a VBAK report, we might write a EKPO report, or whatever may be the report. I can use any table here. The report what we are writing here, the table what we are using here has no link. We are only showing to SAP that I want a field like this. I want a field like Mara Matner, or I want a field like Marcy Matner. That means what properties this field is having. Apply the same property to this. The only rule is, the only rule is whatever table you are using. If you are using Mara, we have to use tables Mara. If you are using Marcy, we have to use tables Marcy. If you are using MAKT, tables MAKT. I can use comma also and put it all EKPO. Chain operator I can use and put it like this. Chain operator. Whatever table you are using here should be declared. So now if I execute this code, check the syntax. Activate. Execute. Execute. So all are same. So again, don't ask me, sir, can I use this table? Can I use this table? If that field is having the table, you can use it. Any table you want, you can use it as a reference. I want a field like this. So now I'm going to one program which I have given yesterday as assignment. So report 32. Report 32. If I declare parameters in yesterday's assignment, I have to handle 16 conditions, 16 conditions. So material report with multiple parameters. Type executable. Save. Local object. Now select options S underscore Matner for VBAP Matner. Just to tell you that we can use any table I want, I am declaring VBAP. Tables VBAP. Select options S underscore Matner for T134 hyphen MTRT. T134. Select options S underscore, sorry, this is MTRT. MTRT. Select options MBRSH for T137T hyphen MBRSH. T137T. Whatever table I am using here, that I am declaring. Select options S underscore mains for T006 hyphen now Mara mains. Mara table. Pretty printer. Check the syntax. Activate. execute. So I am having these fields. Or, or, or. What I can do is I can simply use a single, all these fields are there in, this is there in Mara, this is there in Mara, this is there in Mara. I can use simple one table, tables Mara. That's it over. This is also correct, this is also correct. Anything is fine. But if I am using like this, some people will assume because I am writing Mara report, I used Mara table here. No, you can use any table you want. This table has no relation with the report what we are using below. So as of now, I am commenting this. Just if you want, you can use like this. If you want, you can use like this. So the difference is here I am using many tables. Here I am using a single table. That's it. Now activate this. Once it is active, maintain the labels. Maintain the labels. Utilities, go to text elements, selection text, material, material number, industry sector, industry sector, unit of measure, material type, material type, come back, execute. My screen is ready. My screen is ready. 4 inputs. So now if vmatner, type matner, vmtrt, type mtrt, vmbrsh, type mbrsh, vmains, type mains, start of selection, select matner, mtrt, mbrsh mains from Mara into vmatner, vmtrt, vmbrsh, vmains, where matner in s underscore matner and select. So here we use in operator. As of now, I am putting one input here, one input here. Important point to be noted here is note when we are using select options in the where condition, even if we use the complete key, we should not use select single. So follow this carefully. I am writing select single. Write v underscore matner, v underscore mtrt, v underscore mbrsh, v underscore mains. Syntactically it is correct. Syntactically it is correct. Activate. Execute. But logically it is wrong. Show me the materials from 1 to 10. Show me the materials from 1 to 10. Between 1 to 10, whatever materials are there, get me. But your select statement is saying select single. So you are asking in the input, get me 1 to 10. But in the select statement, you are checking select single. So my program will give only select single record, one record only. And now you are saying, sir, I didn't got 10 records, sir. You won't get 10 records, but because your program is saying that, get me a single record. So whenever simple blind rule, if you are using equal to here, then we can give a single value. But we are not giving a single value as the input. We are giving a range of values. Show me 1 to 10, show me 20 to 50, show me 100. Like this, I can give any value. So whenever you are using select options here in the where condition, even you are passing the complete key field, we don't use select single. My system don't know that it will give syntactically correct. So you should be careful. We cannot use select single. So we have to use select and select only. Activate. Execute. Execute. So now if you say show me 1 to 10, it will show all the records between 1 to 10. Now I am showing show me 1 to 10. Show me 1 to 10, and I am expanding this arrow mark multiple selection, and then I'm going to the range, and I'm going to the
అయిపిస్తుంది పిల్ల మంచిగా ఫేస్ కూడా బాగుంటుంది పిల్లది కళ ఉంటుంది పిల్ల నల్లగా ఉన్నది.
hold on 1 minute.
ఏదో
Now I'm going to this one expand, and then I'm going to this tab, and I'm saying show me 30 to 50. 30 to 50. So what I want all the records from 1 to 10, at the same time all the records from 30 to 50. Execute. Execute this. Execute this. So I'll get all the records from 1 to 10 followed from 30 to 50. So multiple ranges. So select options has more advantages of parameters. But remember, so when we are taking some medicine, definitely there will be some side effects. So every keyword here also has advantages and disadvantages. But when we see this, when the advantages are more than side effects, we can ignore the side effects. So even select options also has drawbacks. Everywhere there are some drawbacks. So I introduce parameters, then we see drawbacks. Now we are introducing select options. After 4-5 days, we will see drawbacks of select options. So program to program, where we use parameters, where we use select options will change. So you should know parameters also, as well as you should know select options also. So whenever I give an assignment, the best way is do the same assignment with parameters. Do the same assignment with select options, and then compare the difference. So now you will see the advantages and disadvantages if you compare the differences. But every day, if I explain both the programs, it will take a lot of time for me to explain. The course will go beyond 1 year. So I have already explained parameters, so I won't explain the same assignments. Now with 4 inputs, sir, you have not explained this program with 4 inputs. No, I'm not explaining this with 4 inputs. I'm directly explaining select options. So in a select options, what I will do, I will simply say end matner mtrt in s underscore mtrt end mbrsh in s underscore mbrsh and mains in s underscore mains. So I'm not putting if initial, not initial, simple. When you are using select options, again, if you check if conditions, it's of no use. I can use parameters only. So here we don't, when we use select options, we don't check if S matter initial, S matter not initial, etc. in the start of selection. No need to check all the 16 conditions. Simply I am putting the where condition. My system will take care of conditions. So what I will do, I will add the serial number concept, add v underscore serial number type I, and I will simply say add one to v underscore serial number, and then display this v underscore serial number. Now let's test this. This topic is a very, very, very important topic. Execute. Execute. So now show me 1 to 25. It will show all the materials between 1 to 25. Now show me all the FERT materials. Show me all the FERT materials. execute. It will show all the food materials. Now show me all the mechanical products. All the mechanical products. It will show all the mechanical products. Now don't give a range for a character field. This is a character field. For a character field, show me all the records from C to M is meaningless. What is C to M? For a character fields, we should not give like this. The ranges we have to give only for number values. Wherever you see the numbers, you can give the ranges. But wherever you are not having numbers, giving ranges is meaningless. C to M is meaningless. So what we have to do? We have to say like this: expand, expand. Show me chemical, show me mechanical, show me automobile. Show me chemical, show me mechanical, show me automobile. So when I execute, it will show the chemical, mechanical, automobile. All the mechanical, if you scroll down, you will see chemical and all automobile. So now if you see here, there are some chemicals. So I can see multiple inputs at the same time. So now I am seeing chemical, mechanical, automobile at the same time. Now come back, again execute, show me all the materials what I am selling it as boxes. Whatever materials I'm selling as boxes, show me, execute. So all the materials which are showing as boxes. Show me material 1 to 25, 1 to 25, which are having FERT. Between 1 to 25 materials, what are finished products? Show me that finished products only. Only 3 products are finished products. 11, material 12, material 17 is finished products. Now, show me between 1 to 25 which are finished products at the same time mechanical. Execute. Now, I need not worry of handling that if condition. 16 if conditions are minimized. So, my program is getting minimized. Now, this is the advantage of select options. Now, first understand and digest. First understand and digest the select options concept. This I introduced only today, so understand this. So to understand this, what you should do? Now, do the program like this. First take p underscore eid. One more program s underscore eid. So output I am expecting is eid name, city, phone. This is what I want. So if I am writing this program, how shall I write? If I am writing this program, how shall I write? Forget about validations, etc. First, the program should work for positive cases. If your program is not working for positive cases, all positive cases, it's a waste to check negative cases. Now, your program is working perfectly for 99 positive cases, one case failed. We will call your program as a failure program only. We can't say 99 are success, one is failed, we won't accept. It's a failure only. When we call it as a brand, now your brand new iPhone which is of 1 lakh, if someone is giving for 10,000, you will have a doubt. Why? I will say only one feature is not working, one answer button is not working, or something. I will say automatically people, why they will take damaged pieces. So no one are ready to take the damaged pieces. So first rule, make sure your program works for all cases. Now take two inputs, p underscore eid, p underscore city, then s underscore eid, s underscore city. If you are handling this program, how will you do? If you are handling this program, how will you do? Then take p underscore country, then take s underscore country and see what happens. Then take some other field, example, say eid country city. If you do it with three inputs, that's more than enough. So here, if you write this program, you will get six conditions. If you are taking this program, you won't get, sorry, if you write the program here, you'll get 8 conditions in start of selection. Here 8 conditions won't be there. So like this, you can practice more and more with multiple inputs. So select options plays a major role for multiple inputs. So now we are almost ready for fundamentals. So all these days I was going very slow, not like a snail pace, dead slow, because many people are new to programming. So I have started the programming very slowly, one topic per day. If the entire course, if we do it like this, then we cannot complete the topics on target. But at the same time, my target is not to rush also. So for every batch, first 1 month course, what we will do is I'll go dead slow. Then I will increase the space a little bit. So next week onwards, we have seeing new topics. I'm assuming that you are strong in select, you have understood when to use if condition. So first we will test the code. If it is not working, we'll add one if condition. So basics of reporting is over. So from tomorrow onwards, we'll see one more new topic. But from tomorrow onwards, two to three topics will come. So don't assume we are going, all of us run fast. All these days we are going slow because you are new to programming. And still there are some people who are not practicing. So the people who are not practicing, they will feel that I am going very fast from tomorrow. But the people who are practicing regularly, they will assume that okay, we are going at the same pace. If you have understood the topic still now, next 20 classes are very easy for you. If you have not understood the last two, this from select statements till here, the events, etc., from next week onwards, it will be like a Greek and Latin. So today I have introduced select options. Tomorrow we will see the validations of the select options.